Have you ever felt like something inside you was making decisions before you even became aware of them? Not your thoughts, not your plans, not even that inner voice that seems to narrate your life. Something deeper, something older, something that has been working quietly in the background since the moment you were born. Right now, as you listen to these words, it is already at work. Regulating your heartbeat, adjusting your breathing, monitoring your surroundings, preparing your body for possibilities that may never happen. And perhaps the strangest part of all, most people go through their entire lives without realizing it exists. Because while you believe you're consciously navigating the world, there is a hidden system operating behind the curtain of awareness. A system that influences how you feel, how you react, how much stress you can tolerate, how quickly you recover, and in many cases, the very choices you think you're making freely. Tonight, we're going to explore that invisible force, the silent network that shapes your emotions, your energy, your instincts, and your relationship with the world around you. Because the truth is far more fascinating than most people realize. Your body is not simply carrying your mind. Your body is actively participating in the creation of your reality. Every emotion you experience, every sensation, every moment of calm, every moment of anxiety, every feeling of confidence, every feeling of uncertainty, all of them emerge from an ongoing conversation happening inside you. A conversation so constant and so familiar that you've probably stopped noticing it. Imagine for a moment that you had to consciously manage every function happening inside your body. You would have to remember every breath. Adjust your heart rate manually, monitor your blood pressure, control your digestion, maintain your balance, regulate your body temperature. You wouldn't make it through a single hour. Fortunately, nature found a better solution. Over millions of years, an extraordinary system evolved. A biological intelligence so sophisticated that it can coordinate trillions of processes while remaining almost completely invisible to conscious awareness. And yet, despite its incredible power, this system isn't just keeping you alive, it's influencing how you experience life itself. Because long before a thought appears, before an emotion rises, before you become aware of anything at all, your nervous system has already begun interpreting the world. It is constantly asking a question so important that your entire state of being depends on the answer. Am I safe? Everything changes based on that single assessment. When your body perceives safety, your breathing deepens, your muscles soften, your digestion improves, your immune system functions more effectively, your mind becomes more creative, more flexible, more open to possibility. But when your body detects danger, even if that danger exists only in your imagination, a completely different chain of events begins. Your heart beats faster, your attention narrows, your muscles prepare for action, your biology shifts into survival mode, and here's where modern life creates a fascinating problem. Your nervous system evolved to help you survive predators, storms, and immediate physical threats, but today, it often reacts to emails, deadlines, financial worries, social pressure, uncertainty about the future, problems that cannot be solved by running away or fighting. Yet your body responds as though survival itself is at stake. This is why so many people live in a state of chronic tension without even realizing it. They become accustomed to stress, accustomed to exhaustion, accustomed to feeling constantly alert, until anxiety begins to feel normal, until tension becomes familiar, until they forget what genuine relaxation actually feels like. But what if I told you that your nervous system is not your enemy? What if the anxiety, the overwhelm, the emotional ups and downs, the exhaustion, are not signs that your body is broken? What if they're messages, signals, attempts at communication from a system that has only one goal: to protect you? Because beneath every emotion, beneath every reaction, beneath every moment of fear or peace, there is an intricate biological process unfolding. A process that has been guiding human beings for thousands of generations. And once you understand how it works, you begin to see yourself differently. You stop fighting your body, you start listening to it. You begin to recognize that the relationship between mind and body is not a partnership between two separate things. It is one unified system, one continuous conversation, one extraordinary intelligence expressing itself in countless ways. And perhaps the greatest discovery of all is that the transformation you're searching for may not require becoming someone new. It may simply require understanding the incredible system you've had within you all along,